Fox 8 News reporter Kathleen Cochran live in Russell Township with details.
Hi, Bill and Stacy. Well, the couple is accused of throwing two cats like this one here out of their car and killing them. Now, as part of their sentence, this little guy's having fun, but now as part of their sentence, the couple is going to have to come right here. Ooh, and
a little bit excited.
You love it. You love it.
Numbers.
This is Manya, the calmest member of the farm. She is a real sweet tooth.
The pandas, researchers found out, were a lot more interested in playing, eating, and sleeping rather than mating. Ow! Ow!
To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, sprang up to take advantage of this fabulous investment opportunity.
Two of the dogs are in isolation at Hanover Animal Control. They're still looking for the other two. Meanwhile, other livestock owners.
Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area. What the Get this thing off me, man! Get this thing off me, man! God!
See the tire tracks here where the cattle rustler pulled up to this entrance.
Celebrating their new title as Beer City USA in a very appropriate fashion later today. I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town, and those details coming up.
What really happened on that Thursday here at Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death?
The fuck is that? Shit! I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town. Shit flying in my mouth. The fuck? I can't see pollen. Let's get the fuck out of this country, motherfucker.